Let's go, guys!
We're on our way, guys, but just a little note for y'all. Now, in Mandeville, Manchester, you have more local cook shops than you'd have your fine dining or those casual dining areas that you'll mostly find in the metropolitan areas such as Kingston or Montego Bay or Ocho Rios. But today, we're going to visit our local cook shop, and Claudette's top class restaurant is one of those lovely cook shops that you'll find in Mandeville, Manchester. So we're gonna have fun, we're gonna eat some good food and just in for a great time, so stay tuned.
What's up, kitchen gangers? How y'all doing? Welcome to Moy's Kitchen, where cooking is
love made elegant.
So for today, guys, we're going to head to a cook shop / restaurant in our community where we're from, and that's Spur Tree, Manchester. So journey on with us, guys.
So we got to our location safely, and one thing to note about our location is that you have great options for parking, so you don't have to worry about that. Now we have our restroom facility right there on the right, that yellow building there where you could freshen up yourself, very clean and all of that, so that is good for us. And you know, it's COVID time and we definitely have to observe our protocols, so we were sanitized and then we went straight inside. We're here, guys. So we're going to check out our menu, as you can see, and we're going to, you know, have a little fun time and a good time. All right, and thank you. I'm good. Hi, Miss Claudette. How are you doing?
My son Andre.
Hi, Andre.
I'm going to ask him to sit in for me.
Okay, no problem.
What do they would fire out this?
No problem.
Cheers. Yes. You can do it again. Oh. You see that?
Pretty bad. Guys, the best curry goat in Jamaica. Go again?
We're waiting on some curry goat.
Yes.
Curry goat and
Fried chicken, manish water.
yeah. Welcome to our country. The best goat shop.
The best goat shop in Jamaica, actually. Yeah.
So we're going to have 3 small curry goats, and then we're going to have 1 medium soup and 2 small.
Small curry goat, white rice.
Yes.
Right? And 2 coming up.
Alright, thank you. Big up church now. The lodge. Have to try our appetizer, guys. Some managed water. Look at this. I just want to share this. Well, really rich. Real man. Big up church now, telling you. The lodge.
Now let's see if it gets
Excuse me. Thank you. Alright, yeah.
any drinks?
How about you have? Break in the stomach? International students.
While we enjoyed our meals, we were having a great discussion about food that we eat and we don't eat. And Renee and Shanae would have shared that they would not eat anything other than chicken from the poultry family. So no bird, no duck, nothing like that. But I would have shared my experience with trying curried duck. I would have tried rabbit, I would have tried turtle, and I'm telling you, it was great. Share with us in the comment section, guys, those meat or poultry items that you would have had other than pork, beef, chicken. Yeah, share with us.
Would have one with seasoned down to the bone. Come to food.
Hey guys, so we're here with Andre and he's the son of Claudettes, and we're so happy to, get to know a little bit more about Claudette's top class restaurant. So, it's Andre.
Claudette top class restaurant, Spur Tree, Manchester.
Claudette's restaurant has been voted as the best place for curry goat years in a row in the Jamaica Observer People Choice Awards. Now our first question was, when did Claudette's restaurant started? And he would have shared that it started over 25 years and it has been situated at that same location from the very beginning.
Our next question to Andre was, what are some of the advantages of Claudette's restaurant? He shared with us that 1, they use the logwood fire to prepare the meals, and 2, the location of the restaurant. With Claudette sitting quietly at the top of Spur Tree Hill, we have a traffic as it at a central point, so it's an ideal location for passers-by and has a general easy access.
And for our final question to Andre, we asked, what is it like on a day-to-day basis? And he would have mentioned that it's a very busy location on a given day. And actually, they're planning to offer delivery service in and around the areas of Mandeville, Manchester. So you can definitely look out for that, guys.
So we have completed our visit at Claudette's top class restaurant here in Spur Tree, Manchester, and we're about So we have completed our visit at Claudette's top class restaurant in Spur Tree, Manchester, and I must say it was a good one. And we're about to do our review for you guys, and we're going to start off by talking about location. Now guys, I will say it is the perfect, most ideal location for a cook shop slash restaurant. It is on the main road, so I think you're going to attract customers from across the country. So what I have noticed, just sitting inside, you have a lot of persons like work person, police, business persons, just about anybody who walks in and come and get their food. So I think it's a very ideal and good location.
Customer service was A1, and even though we're from around the area, we're familiar with the persons, the owner, the server, and everyone. But customer service was kept at a professional level, and I really liked that. So it was good. It was great. We were welcomed. We were well taken care of.
Yes, that's so true. Now for cost, I think it was very good. It's a very good cost. For the small lunch, it was $700, and then large is $900. I mean, you cannot beat that because it is curried goat, right? So I think it was very good. For the soup, you have ranging from $150 go straight up to $600. So I think it's very good as relates for costing.
Alright. As Andre would have mentioned earlier in the video, he said that one of their advantage is that they use the wood fire. They use a stove, but it's just to keep the food warm. But the food was great. You would have tasted like everything coming together. You take the curry goat,
Spicy, everything.
Yeah, everything just
seasoned to the bone.
Yeah, like it's seasoned from last week or from last month, but it tasted really good.
The food was served hot, both for the soup and our meal. So I think that was very good as it relates for presentation too. And we got grapes
in our
salad, and that's a plus for me. But yeah, it was top class. It was good.
Yeah.
And then overall, for our recommendation, I would definitely recommend Claudette's Top Class Restaurant to anybody that is passing by, going to St. Elizabeth West. It's a great stop. I mean, if you want to get something good, something hot, here is the place to go. So make it Claudette's Top Class Restaurant, guys, for your curried goat. They also have fried chicken. That was also an option. And the soup, people, I never just ketchup stomach. It is that, you understand? Make the warm up the stomach. It tastes good, the flavor, everything. The rami, taste the rami there.
For the food here, what I like is the consistency.
That's so true.
Because as we'd have mentioned earlier, again, this is a place that we grew up on, like from we were kids, because it's close to home, and I can just remember the food tasting the same. So it has been good over the years, and it still remains.
So for 25 years, being consistent with that recipe. Claudette, yeah, big up. But yes, guys, overall service,
5-star.
5-star, no joke. Claudette gone with ourselves today. It was very good, and I really enjoyed the stay here. But guys, this is something new that we're doing, and I hope you like our stop, our first cook shop / restaurant stop. We're going to do some more for you guys. But yes, as you know, we're on the road to 5,000 subscribers, guys, and I am asking you guys to make this happen by the end of April. Help us get there. Let us celebrate our 1-year anniversary with 5,000 or more subscribers. And guys, if you have not done so, don't forget to
like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe, man. Press the little red button and zoodle. And guys, that's it for today, and thank you so much for joining in. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell another friend, so that friend can tell another friend, you know what I mean? But until then, goodbye.